Hey, I'm working on the C30, and one thing I've noticed from China, uh, you see the angle. When this goes up, it's increasing. It's increasing the positive um, positive angle, I guess you would say. Uh, to me, it should be like this. So when it goes up, it increases negative rake. So in other words, it looks like the Chinese are putting this on upside down. So some of you guys might have a problem with getting your rotors to spin up. Also, look, I just pulled this one out of the bag. See how that's already squished down? That's going to snap off. They're using Lexan in here as a hinge, and it's never going to work because it's just gonna snap. I don't know if you can see it or not. You can see where the clear has actually turned white, and that's the snapping point. So I can't believe that. So I took a Tide bottle, as you can see, and instead of doing it like this, I'm going to do it like this. So now, when this thing, let's see if I can get a good shot here. When this thing moves up, as you can see, you're getting about, I don't know, 3 degrees, 3 or 4 degrees negative rake. And that's what you want. So, if I would get one of these kits, the first thing I would do, is undo your bolt right here, take it out, flip it over, and put it back in. But, again, this came from China, and look, this one is already bent down, and the plastic's turning white. And this is in the bag. So, I mean, it must be just really rough handling or whatever. But I don't have a feeling it's going to work very well like that. So, I'm in process. As you can see, I've got my holes scratched in, and yeah, I think this is going to rock and roll. And I hope and pray I can get this focused. There we go. Now, if you notice, I sanded an angle on this piece on the top. That allows it to flap up, and the bottom piece is going to butt down. They're going to touch right here, so it's not going to do a tail strike, but it allows it to go up, down, down. Okay, so nice little angle on this one. Make sure this butts up nice and tight when you drill the holes. Okay, and that's it. Ta-da! Okay, I put a donkey motor in here, and it fits really nice. Holy crap! A lot of thrust. I've got my ESC in here. Look at my big ass fingers. I'm putting a 1300 milliamp battery in here. Gives me a nice hang angle. The donkey, it just has a bronze bushing through it, so you don't have to worry about ball bearings going. I just put some light oil in it. ST307, and it's 1100 kV, and yeah, it's a badass motor. So, and they're inexpensive too. Sometimes I wish all their motors had bronze bushings, because a lot of their motors have crap for bearings, and they just wear out and whine and do all kinds of shit. So anyway, that's it. See you guys later. Hey, one more thing I forgot to address is on the head itself. Make sure that these aren't too tight, and make sure it's not too loose. Don't put these on. Don't put your rods on until you have gone through the head completely and make sure everything is free flowing. In other words, I had when I put it together, I thought it was okay, and it should move freely. And then I put these on, and I'm trying to move it, and I'm like, damn, it's really tight. So really take a look at that, and make sure you can move it up and down, left and right, and whatever. Otherwise, you could burn up your servos while you're flying. Okay? All right.